Family of kangaroos just hanging around down here this morning. And no, I'm not going to go box one. Very cool. Good morning, everyone. Before I get into anything, I just want to give a special shout out to Matthew and Jason. Both young men came down over the Easter holiday. I wasn't able to go out fishing with them due to work, but they came into the shop. We had a little chat, took some photos, so very nice meeting both of you. So thanks for coming in, and hopefully next year we can get out on the river and do some fishing. So I'm actually on the north side today. I hiked through. We're going to try a few spots. I've got that Pertex fishing challenge coming up this weekend, and yeah, just looking for a good spot to be able to sit for the day and fish and hopefully catch something big. So like I said, we're going to try a few spots today, see how it goes. Surprise, surprise. It's carp, but not the big ones we're hoping for. There we go. So about 25 centimeters or so. Yeah, I think we're going to test it out a little. Very dark colored. Very dark colored. And not as big as the last one. So there we go. They're just getting smaller. Yeah, definitely going in the wrong direction here. So another really little guy. So we're gonna pack up and move to a different spot and see how we go over there. We got our first one in the new spot. And guess what? I bet you it's a little carp. It is. It's a very little carp. No, it's not. It's a little cod. It's a little trout cod. There we go. Just a little trout cod. About 20 centimeters or so, but we'll get him back. Come on. There you go. There we go. And there's another small fish. Carp. There we go. One in that 30 centimeter range. First one over here. Water's cold, you can feel it on him. Finally hooked into something over here, I think. Well, maybe not. If it is, it's not very big. Alright, over here. That's a carp. Of course it is. There we go. It's probably about 35 centimeters or so. As I said, biggest one of the day. But it's been very tough. It's very windy, and it's been tough telling when you're getting a bite. I'm going to apologize about the wind noise. Well, that's my time for today. I've got a ton of fishing coming up, so should be plenty of good videos, hopefully. But had to get up in the park area here out of the wind to be able to do the closing. Appreciate everybody watching. Thanks for the support. And until next time, keep fishing.